Welcome back. Here I have Street Customs. Dope ass front cover, but it does look a little fake, like the whole backdrop is like fake. To me it looks fake, but it looks dope. But the inside of the magazine looks even better, man. Let's get to it. Little table of contents with little sneak peek pics. Readers forum. Oh man, these are a lot of little excerpts. And the page qualities are thick and like glossy, man. I'm impressed. Fontana. Some, the pictures are pretty big, pretty cool. And right here you have Hydraulic Operations Profession Association. Little article on how to do stuff. Let's get to the good parts though. Star and Mimi. Some kind of interview with Star and Mimi. I'm assuming they're musicians. Here we go, the first ride. ARMIJO'S Pride. Orale. The Black Beauty. This chrome down 5.3 can most definitely hold its own on any given day. The good guys right here. Some kind of hot rod, roadster, car show. And just for the hood. Damn, dude, this picture right here with the chick on the car. Kind of hate how the page kind of bends her. But pretty cool. After years of being involved with the cruising and show, streetcars and clubs finally get recognition. Hell yeah, brother. And here we have Homies Hydraulics. Dope ass advertisements. And my girls, the Budweiser girls. And it says like, oh, there's like a little thing right here of like the little set list. Or right here they have, I guess every picture has a number, and right here has the little the credits list. You had MC Menace, a bunch of cars. It says Cutie busting a move on a hard body. Unless Cutie is like her name. Old Cars Parts Store. Another dope advertisement as well. I guess that's pretty cool. Oh, and the Centerfold. I'm telling you, dude. Beast ass Centerfold. Roadster, wire wheel, street custom of the month. Sexy, man. It just looks like a super cool photo shoot, like outside on a rooftop. The truck is beautiful. The deep red, the gold really looks like gold. Man, the cityscape, the woman, so American, so civilized. Bloody Mary, beautiful mural right there, dude. And the model looks like the mural. It was like a dream come true. I never thought that my truck was good enough. Damn, bro. Dope ass GMC. Long Beach. Some dude with a snake. The Dukes ×2. Damn, dude. Crazy colors right here. I feel like I'm looking at a lowrider commercial, PICO Rivera. Another, dude, I love these set lists right here, or the credits list. You got Slam Suburbans, Oscars 91 Jaguar, World Champion Oscar de la Hoya, the Golden Boy, right here. Bam! You got Zap tearing it up with their old school tunes. Zap and Roger, so that's who they are. And Miranda jamming the tunes right here. And dude, Full House. Dude, I love seeing these kind of pictures. On dope ass times in the 90s. At the car shows. Red Dog, the motorcycle feature. Heads turn and drivers practically pull off to the side of the road just to take a good look. Dude, beautiful photo shoot with the woman in white. Bellflower car show. Everything black and white pictures. What happened to the color? GIRLZ NFX. I kind of want to read this little article, but I think they're musicians as well. First annual picnic for Hop. I see some car club names. Stylistics or Stylites and Living Life Car Club. The Hop Union. South Bay. Dope ass convertible. America's Most Wanted. Dope ass name. Imperial's Car Club. Double Trouble Euros. Dude, I love that this little blue car on the left side. Is it a little... It's a Volkswagen, the hatchback. And on the right side we have... I can't even tell, but dope ass racing stripes. And this is how it ends with the dope ass super cool advertisements for hydraulics. I love this shot right here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.